Hello, I'm Wayne Ozarczak with Mr. Handyman, and today we're going to be installing a sliding barn door, a trendy home improvement that will bring a modern look to your home. First, we'll make sure the opening where the door will go is smaller than the barn door, so it will completely cover the opening and there is room for the door to slide. Make sure there are no items in the way of the door path. Whether it is a wall light, door trim, or a floor vent, make sure you have clearance. Mark the position on the wall where the track will go. Make sure the mounting bolts will go into a header or wall studs. Attach door stops to rails and mount to the wall with spacers. Cut a kerf or groove in the bottom of each door to receive the floor guide. This will keep the door in position and prohibit swinging. Install the hangers to the door. Then mount the doors on the rails. Adjust the door stoppers to the desired position. Install the floor guide on the floor, which will guide the lower end of the door. Now you are ready to sit back and enjoy your new sliding barn door. If you need help installing a sliding barn door in your home or have a much larger project in mind, please be sure to contact Mr. Handyman, your one-stop shop for home maintenance, repair, and remodeling needs.